Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Fifth Third Bank's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. The bank reported earnings per share of 78 cents or 85 cents when excluding certain items, beating their guidance from Q2. Their return on equity came in at an impressive 12.8%, leading among peers who have reported so far. The adjusted efficiency ratio improved to 56.1% in Q3, with headcount down 1% year-over-year despite continued investments in growth strategies. Looking at the balance sheet, net interest income exceeded $1.4 billion, increasing 2% from the previous quarter. The net interest margin improved by 2 basis points, driven by higher yields on new loan production. Total loans remained relatively flat, though there were some promising signs in loan production, particularly in their middle market segment. One standout metric was their deposit performance. Fifth Third ranked number 1 among all large banks in year-over-year retail deposit growth for the second consecutive year. Their consumer households grew by 2.7% overall, with an impressive 6% growth in the Southeast region. The bank is making significant strides in their expansion plans, particularly in the Southeast. They're planning to open 19 new branch locations in Q4 alone, with plans to accelerate branch openings through 2028. By then, nearly half of their network of more than 500 branches will be in the Southeast. On the capital front, Fifth Third increased their common dividend by 6% to 37 cents per share and executed $200 million in share repurchases. Their CET1 ratio increased to 10.8%, allowing them to boost share repurchases to $300 million in Q4, with potential for further increases depending on loan growth. Looking ahead, management expressed cautious optimism about the economic outlook while acknowledging potential challenges from interest rate changes, job market volatility, and geopolitical uncertainties. They're particularly encouraged by signs of life in loan demand and expect to achieve positive operating leverage in Q for both sequentially and year-over-year. The bank's strategic investments in growth areas are paying off, with their commercial payments business growing net fee equivalent revenues by 10% year-over-year, and their wealth management business achieving record quarterly revenues with 12% growth. This demonstrates their successful execution in diversifying revenue streams beyond traditional banking. In conclusion, Fifth Third delivered a solid quarter with strong capital levels, improved efficiency, and continued progress on their strategic initiatives, particularly in the Southeast expansion. Their focus on stability, profitability, and growth appears to be serving them well in this dynamic operating environment. That wraps up our recap of Fifth Third Bank's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.